Here it is, late December. It looks like I might be the only one who's been down this far. Yeah, I am. Since the snow. Since this particular snow. Man, these freaking bikes are so good. Set up just really nice for the type of riding I like to do. It's kind of staggering how good they are. It's almost, oh, there's been a hunter out through here. I can see dog tracks and boot tracks, but not dirt bike tracks. That's interesting. Es interesante. Oh yes. Need to go try that. Zip right up that centerpiece. Yeah. No sweat. Turn around and go right back down that. Oh yes. First gear. Took my steering stops out of this bike so that she'll turn tight. Can't tell you how much that helps me with balance. To be able to crank those bars all the way and get the bike to turn tight helps immensely. Rocky and snowy. Good thing I've got a freaking amazing tire on here. Today's my maiden voyage with the Shinko 520 DC. This is a dual oh my gosh, dang it. I got talking too much. Didn't realize the trail goes up that way. It looks like it goes right up that though. Yeah! Never seen that before. Well, it looks like we cliff out here though. This freaking massive wall. Maybe you guys have been going up around that though. I think maybe they have. Maybe somebody has. This is the time to turn the goggles around. Go check this out. All right, we're in the thick of it now. Holy crap. Let's get this to pop up and over, yes. Just like that. Stop, bike. That's nasty right there. Let's pull you up. Like that. Get you up a little higher. Probably shouldn't be doing this alone. It is a brand new bike. It's got 1 hour on it. Let's get up over that. Okay. Gonna need you to roll back. Yeah. A little close to the rock. Okay. Okay. That's fairly gnarly right there. I've looked at that and I don't like the way that is. I'm going to drop down here. There's a cliff right there. 25 foot, 30 foot cliff right there. I think right there. I think what I want to do is pivot turn and get the bike pointed kind of like this. See, that's a cliff. But I'll grab the bike, come over like that, and then we've got a straight line for this. And I don't have enough room. I feel like you can stand, but I don't also have much other choice. Yeah, that worked. Nice run at that. Oh, shoot. I just keep getting cliffs. That looks like you could almost do it. Somebody is doing that. Come on. You gotta get up on the ledge.